Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Python 3.9.5 on Windows 10. Okay, so first of all search for Python. Okay guys, now here you can see that the official website of Python. You guys need to select downloads. Okay, now here you can see that download the latest version of Windows, the latest version for Windows. Okay, so which is 3.9.5. So now here you can see that I'm just downloading it. It will just take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Now here you can see that it's saying to install Python. Okay, so you can see install launcher for all. Okay, you guys need to just mark these two things. Now here you can see that you customize installation or install now. If you select install now, it will just simply instantly install, okay, without any kind of issues. So it's a pretty much easy thing to do. So now here you can see that setup was successful, and here you can see if I search for Python, okay, ideal Python 3.9, okay, you guys need to just open this up and wait. So now here you can see that it's installed perfectly and you can do whatever you want. Now here you can see I'm just typing hello world. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can install and download and install Python for your Windows 10. So if you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.